Hi. Unfortunately, that's the end of my Harrison covers for the night. But you can check them out on my Twitter page, which is at HarrisonCraig19. You can also follow me on Instagram, Harrison_Craig 2014. If you want to follow Harrison, you can follow Harrison on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. His Twitter account is at HarrisonCraig1. His Twitter account is at HarrisonCraig. His Facebook account is Harrison Craig Official, and also you can buy 2 of his albums from JB Hi-Fi, Sanity, eBay, or iTunes. Trust me, if you buy these 2 albums, they will blow your mind away. I hope you guys have a wonderful evening. Check out my covers. You can tell me what you think by tweeting, emailing, and Instagramming, and Facebooking. If you want to email me about any requests that if you have any requests that I want to do, please email me at harrisoncraig2014@outlook.com, or you can email me at KatieBlackberry13 KatieBlackberry14@gmail.com. I hope you have a wonderful evening, and I can't wait to sing for you guys again. Bye. See you, Harrison.